All right, welcome back to the next tutorial. I hope things are going on well. In our previous tutorial, we tried to explain the concept of programming here. But right now, what we are going to talk about is commenting. After the commenting, then we see what to do. Is that okay? All right. So, what is commenting? Commenting is very essential and is a good habit for a programmer. If you want to be a very good programmer, then you should learn something called commenting. And then this commenting deals with you telling the information about what is happening in your code. Because sometimes you write about 100 lines. Let me take beginners for instance. If you go to the advanced level and you start writing 1,000 lines of codes, and then you just keep it for a while, when you go back, you will not be able to understand. You might not be able to understand what you are doing at a particular point. But if you have something called commenting, then you'll be able to know that, oh, okay, this is what I was trying to do here. Otherwise, if other programmers also take your work, they can be able to identify what you are trying to mean. I hope I'm clear. In C++, we have two types of commenting. We have the single line commenting and we have the multi-line commenting. In C++, before you do the single line commenting, you have to do two, I don't know whether you call it backward slash or forward slash, forward slash, yes, that's the name, 2 forward slash. You see now, this code has become deemed. So anytime you comment a code or anytime you comment something in your code, that particular thing is not going to run. Get it in mind. So whenever you see this, at first when we were running our code, we were having hello world, but now if I run this code, it will return nothing. So you can see there is nothing here. But let's take off the comments and see. As soon as I take it out, you see that when I run it, you get hello world. I hope you see that. Hello world. That's how commenting goes. So that was the single line commenting. That's where you do the forward slash, 2 forward slash. That's single line commenting. And then the multi lines commenting is you do one single and then you bring the asterisk like this. So you see now these two have been, this particular line is being commented, and then this particular line is being commented, this particular line is being commented. So that means it is the start of the commenting. And then when I want to end it, I will have to bring asterisk and then bring the forward slash again. So now you see this particular side has turned to red again, and then it's active now. So that means this particular thing from here to here is being taken out, but it is in the code, but it's not working. I hope I'm clear. Alright, that's all about commenting, so it's good. So let's take this for instance. When I'm writing my code, I can come here and then say forward slash this code will print hello world. Is that okay? then I just do it like this. Whenever I run this code, that particular one is not having effect. Only hello world that we see. I hope the commenting is cool. It's a good habit for a programmer to learn how to comment. Is that okay? Alright. So let's try our hands on how to print our name. My name is Ohutini, so I'm going to try my possible best. Let's clean this. I'm going to try my possible best to print my name, Ohutini. So let me do that. So we just say C out. As I said, anytime you want to print something to the console, you have to say C out. And then you do insertion. So whenever you see two less than, it means insertion. Then you put that particular thing in double quote. Is that okay? So my name is Ohutini. Ohutini. So that's my name. And then we will have to bring insertion again and then say end line. Then we bring our semicolon. This semicolon here means termination. It tells C++ interpreters that particular side or that particular line of code has end at that particular point. I hope you get me clear. That's termination. Is that okay? So now let's run it and see whether we will see or you will see Ohutini. That's it. Oh, sorry. I should do build and run, not run. Build and run. And then you see Ohutini. So try your best to print out your name. Only 1 minute. Okay, you have done well. You have done well. It's very good for practicing. I hope you have been able to run your name in this class. So we are going to use this to write myself. Is that okay? So what we'll do is we'll write my name is, then we add our name. I am 2 years old or any year old. I go to school at, or I attend school at. I hope you get it. So let's try to do that. So I will say C out. My name is Ohutini. Then I'll come here and say C out, because I don't want it to come on the same line. So I'll say C out. I am 10 years old. Then you come in section and then end line. End line. Then we will go to C out. I attend school at UEW. End line. And we say C out. I am in level 300. Is that okay? And then we say end line. Is that okay? So this myself. So let's try to run it and see build and run. Now you see, my name is Ongtini. I am 10 years old. I attend school at UEW. I am in level 300. I hope it's fun. Alright, let's pause here and then see you in the next tutorial.